Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change the image size of your images on your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on the overview for one of my test sites, and I have an image right over here. And let's say I want to resize this image. Now, to do this, it's actually very easy. All you need to do is click on the edit button, and you can go ahead and click on the image and go ahead and resize it from there. For example, if I click on it, I can just drag it through these nodes. I can stretch it, I can compress it. However, the aspect ratio of the image won't change, so you should just select the aspect ratio that fits for the image, because as you can see, if I shrink the block to, what is this? I think it's 3 by 6 or 7. I'm pretty sure, yeah, 3 by 6. If it's a 3 by 6, as you can see, the image stays in its original size and original aspect ratio. So you're really not doing much, you're just making the image smaller. You can also go ahead and click on this to align it horizontally, either to the left, to the right, or the middle. Click on this to align it vertically, and you can also click on the pen to go ahead and edit the design of the image. Once you go into the design segment, as you can see, you can set up the corner radius. So for the top left corner, you can edit it to 12. However, I'm pretty sure it's just gonna make it well, round or rounder. As you can see, you can just go ahead and reshape it like so. And you can also add image effects, overlays, and lightbox, which I will not be doing. But now if I deselected the image, as you can see, it has rounded corners, and that's pretty much what you can do there. You can also go ahead and go into shape and select the shape which you want, which will also resize the image as well. So you can do that to, crop the image into a specific shape if you want. So for example, I'll just keep this sort of 4-leaf clover shape, click save, click exit. And once the changes have been saved and I exit, it should change the size of the image. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.